Good Wednesday, everyone. Welcome to GardenStateWeather.com and GardenStateWeather.blogspot.com, providing superior forecasting for the northern mid-Atlantic region 24 hours a day. I'm forecaster Robert Smith on this delightful Wednesday, the 7th of October, 2015. And this is a beautiful view this morning from Bill McKim from Belmar Days at Twitter, at Belmar Days at Twitter. And this is gorgeous skies here, mid and upper level clouds from a short wave moving through the region, and it's filtering in some of that cloud cover through the sunshine as the sun is rising over the waters this morning at the New Jersey shore. Some mid and upper level cloud cover across the region this morning, but it's a gorgeous one. Temperatures are generally running in the 50s throughout most of the region. The winds are light too. They're calm or out of the north at speeds of less than 10 miles an hour. High pressure is in control. Dew points are also comfortable this morning as well, and once we get rid of this shortwave energy moving through the region, skies will brighten up nicely. Morning surface chart from WeatherOwnoke.com and Digital Atmosphere Software shows high pressure basically in control of the region today. We have a weak shortwave moving through the region, then the skies will clear out nice. This cold front will be approaching the region by this evening. On the water vapor, on the visible satellite this morning, we have some cirrus clouds moving through the region, and then other than that, with some energy moving through in the water vapor channel as well. Other than that, no precipitation, and sunshine will be predominating throughout today. And the only advisories we have are once again out on the coastal waters for small craft hazards into early this afternoon and early evening locations, and we'll be along the Atlantic coastal waters and of New Jersey and the South Shore and east ends of Long Island. Seas will be 5 to 6 feet, with swells this morning subsiding during the afternoon and evening. For the South Shore and east ends of Long Island, the seas will be 3 to 6 feet this morning, and then during this afternoon they'll begin to subside. And the pollen amounts have greatly been reduced as the season is completely just dying off, and that's good news for allergy sufferers. And the ultraviolet radiational index for today and tomorrow will be around 5, and that's on the moderate side, and the lower side, a low to medium side on Friday and Saturday. And the Climate Prediction Center has, the Storm Prediction Center rather, has placed southeastern Pennsylvania, central and southern New Jersey into the Delmarva region. Everything looking good. Today, VFR conditions, scattered to broken clouds at about 3,500 feet. This morning, winds out of the northwest gusting to 15 this afternoon. Tonight, VFR scattered to broken clouds at about 4,000 vicinity of Reading, spreading east during the night. And northwest winds on the low side of 10 knots or less. Thursday, possibly locally MVFR early and some early morning fog, otherwise VFR, light southerly winds. Friday, VFR, increasing clouds, then conditions tending to become MVFR later in the day and at night as showers and isolated thunderstorms move through. South to southwest winds increasing to around 10 knots, then becoming west to northwest late in the day and at night. And on Saturday, patchy fog early in the morning, otherwise mostly VFR. It appears that the showers will move to our south and east of the region. Northerly winds will start increasing to 10 knots or less. Sunday, VFR, good for flying. Winds should favor a northwest wind direction at less than 10 knots. Good news indeed. Right now outside of Newark, it's gorgeous. 56 degrees, dew point 51, humidity 84%. The wind is out of the northeast at 5. A few clouds at 4,000, 18,000, and 25,000. VFR in place. Philadelphia this morning, 60, dew point 53, humidity 78%. The wind is north at 7. A few clouds at 4,000, 20,000, and 26,000. VFR conditions in place. Analysis and forecast charts from the Weather Prediction Center. Here's our high pressure and control of the region for today and for tonight as the surface trough moves through, or upper level disturbance moves through during the morning hours and early afternoon hours. Just a few clouds around the region today, mostly sunny skies outside of that. Comes a weak cold front moving through the region late tonight, early tomorrow morning. Just a few clouds associated with it, then more high pressure, and it's slightly cooler and drier air mass building in for the day on Thursday. And you'll notice this high will be having an influence on our weather with delightful weather and near to slightly below seasonal temperatures for this time of the year, both on Thursday and Friday afternoon. Then another mid-level warm front develops and moves through the Great Lakes, approaches our region during the portions of Saturday, Friday night, and Saturday. That's going to introduce a chance for a few widely scattered showers, even a thunderstorm as the cold front moves through on Saturday morning. The greatest chances of showers and thunderstorms ahead of the cold front will be on Friday afternoon and evening, and then it moves quickly off the coast, and more high pressure then builds in for Saturday afternoon, Saturday night, and Sunday, keeping our weather high and dry and slightly cool across the region, but nonetheless delightful indeed. And this fine weather continues into the early part of next week. The next frontal system will be approaching the region later on Tuesday, and that will move Monday night or Tuesday, and that will move off the coast, and that could provide a few showers along with it as well. Rather benign weather, but that's okay. We'll take it for now. Above normal temperatures over the next 6 to 10 days across most of the country, especially in the west and also in the east, and below normal precipitation or near normal precipitation across this region. Above in northern New England, where the cold fronts will be, the energy will be stronger with the polar cold fronts moving through the region, much below normal in the Midwest. And then as we head into the next 8 to 14 days, still above normal in temperatures across most of the country, especially in the east and west, and near to below normal precipitation anomalies as well. So at every opportunity, do get outside and enjoy this fine weather. For everything live, it's GardenStateWeather.com, GardenStateWeather.blogspot.com, Twitter, Facebook, and Google+. I'm forecaster Robert Smith. Have a fantastic Wednesday.